In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Coda IO support. If you ever run into a tricky formula, a doc that isn't behaving as expected, or you just need clarification on billing or features, the quickest way to get help is without leaving your workspace. Coda has an in-app messenger designed to connect you directly with the support team, and it's the fastest route to a real person. Here's how it works. Open any Coda doc or your workspace home. Look to the bottom right corner of the page for the small question mark icon. Click that question mark to open the help menu. In that menu, choose Contact Support or Chat with Us. Both options lead to the same place, a conversation thread where you can send a message straight to the Coda support team. When the messenger opens, type a clear short summary of what you need, then add helpful details. Mention what you were trying to accomplish, what actually happened, and when it started. If you saw an error, include the exact wording. Details like your browser, operating system, or whether others in your team see the same issue can also help the team pinpoint the cause more quickly. Keep in mind you should never share sensitive information like passwords, API keys, personal emails, or private data in your message. Focus on the context and symptoms rather than confidential content. After you send your message, you'll see the ongoing chat in the same panel. Stay in your dock if you can. It makes it easier to try any steps the team suggests in real time. If you're on a team or enterprise plan, your request is typically prioritized, so you can expect a faster response. If you're on another plan, don't worry. The same support experts will still help. It may just take a little longer during busy times. A quick tip for getting the best answer the first time: be specific. Instead of "my table doesn't work," try "when I click this button in my table, the row doesn't update as expected." Specifics shorten the back and forth and help support move straight to a solution. That's it. You don't need to hunt through external pages or switch apps. Click the question mark at the bottom right, select Contact Support or Chat with Us, write a clear message, and you're talking directly with Coda's support team. Try it the next time you need help, and you'll get back to building faster.